Alright, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to unbox Ferrin Termador LED headlights for a 2017 Ford Escape. The bulbs are replacing H11 and 9005. Alright, here's the box. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so these are the Ferrin Termador LED headlights. Again, they're H11 and 9005. They came as a kit. So let's open this box and see what's inside. Top of the box just slides right up and off. And looky what we have here. Ooh, inspection ready. Pair of white gloves. This is so you don't touch the bulbs and get your hands all over them. And this will be a welcome card probably. And let's see what we got. Maybe a coupon. Let's see. Free LED upgrade program. And scan the code to become our VIP customer. That's pretty cool. And then LED light user manual. So you can flip through there and it gives you interesting things that you probably should know. Alright, and then here we have the LED bulbs themselves, and we'll go ahead and get into the installation portion at this time. Alright, welcome back. We're going to go ahead here in this 2017 Ford Escape. We're going to go ahead and turn on the current low beam and high beam to show you what that looks like. And then we'll also do the same thing again once we have the low beam and high beam installed with the new LED headlights. So here are the low beams, the current halogens that are in the vehicle. This is the current high beam. Again, we'll go back to the low beam. And one more time, we'll go back to the current high beam. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and shut this off. We're going to go into the install of the new headlights, and then we'll go to the low beam and high beam with the new LEDs installed. Alright, here we are in the engine bay and the headlights. There's two of them, one in this cup here, and then there's another cup right over here. And you just got to pull this rubber piece off like that. And then you can see in here where the bulb is. And you just reach in with your hand and turn the bulb like that. As you can see, I've turned the bulb this way, and I can pull the old bulb straight out, and there it is. And all we're gonna do is pop this off right here. It's just a little clip. We're gonna lift that up, and the bulb should pop right out of there, just like that. And we'll install the new bulb, and we'll do the same for everything else, and we'll come back and show you what everything looks like. Alright, so real quick, as I was taking out the bulbs, this is the radiator reservoir, radiator fluid, and it's got these little plastic connectors on them. There's one that connects, you can see down here, one that connects right here. And back in here, one that connects right there. And the best way I found to get them out is by using a flathead screwdriver and getting it back behind there, prying it up, and then pulling up on it to get it out. Unfortunately, you've got to get that out of your way over here in this area, because one of your headlight bulbs has got to go in right here, and you can't get your hand in there to do anything with this in the way. So I just wanted to point that out. It does make this take a little bit longer, but as soon as we're done, we'll show you the difference. Alright, so here we are. The new LED bulbs are installed, and there is our new low beam pattern and our new high beam pattern. It's a big difference. I don't know if it's showing very well on camera yet, but I can definitely tell the difference sitting in the car. Low beam pattern again, and there's the high beam pattern. So I think my mom will be a lot safer driving at night, being able to see where she's going. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.